Hi guys. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I want to share something that has completely transformed my productivity and mindset. It's all about how to build a daily routine and why it is so essential. Whether you're feeling overwhelmed with everything you have to juggle or just want to be more organized, a solid routine can make a world of difference. So, if you're looking to create a routine that actually works for you, stick around. The first step in creating a successful routine is defining your priorities. Ask yourself, what are the most important things in your life right now? This could be work, fitness, personal growth, family time, or self-care. You can't do everything all at once, so focus on what matters most to you. For me, I always focus on 3 core areas: productivity, wellness, and creativity. These are the pillars of my daily routine, and I build my day around them. Once you know your priorities, make a list of the key tasks you want to accomplish in each of these areas. For example, under wellness, you might want to work out, meditate, or eat healthy meals. This gives you a clear picture of what you need to fit into your day. The next step is to structure your day using time blocks. Time blocking means dedicating specific parts of your day to certain activities. Instead of trying to multitask, you focus on one task at a time within its block. This method boosts productivity and reduces stress because it keeps your day organized. Let's start with the morning. I like to block out the first hour of my day for self-care. This includes stretching, hydrating, and a healthy breakfast. If you're not a morning person, your morning routine can be as simple as just getting yourself up and ready, but make sure you give yourself a calm start to the day. Next, block out a few hours for your most important work tasks. For me, it's content creation, answering emails, or brainstorming new ideas. By setting aside this time, I know I'm focusing on my highest priority work during my peak productivity hours. One common mistake people make when starting a routine is trying to do too much all at once. If you try to overhaul your entire day, you're going to burn out quickly. Instead, start small. Pick a few habits or activities you want to incorporate and build from there. Like making your bed, which kick-starts your day, a refreshing note for me. Let's say your goal is to start working out. You don't need to commit to an hour-long gym session right away. Start with 10 to 15 minutes of light exercise, like yoga or walking, and gradually increase the time as it becomes a habit. Consistency is key to making any routine work. When you follow a routine regularly, your body and mind start to expect it. For example, waking up at the same time every day trains your body to naturally wake up without feeling groggy. That said, it's important to stay flexible. Life happens. There will be days when things don't go as planned, maybe a meeting runs late, or you're just not feeling 100%. Instead of getting discouraged, just adjust your routine and move forward. The key is to not abandon the routine altogether because of one off day. When it comes to mental strength, body strength plays a vital role. The essence of meal planning in a daily routine lies in its ability to streamline your day, promote healthier eating habits, and improve overall efficiency. Here's why meal planning is so impactful. Saves time. Promotes good health. Helps with budgeting and time management. Meal planning reduces food wastage and encourages fitness goals, which is vital for building physical and mental health. Also, family time is essential in a daily routine for several important reasons, and it plays a key role in fostering strong relationships, promoting emotional well-being, and maintaining balance in life. Incorporating family time into your daily routine not only strengthens the family unit but also contributes to a healthier, more balanced life. It's not just about spending time together, it's about creating a meaningful, supportive environment that promotes growth, connection, and well-being for everyone involved. The essence of work-life balance is achieving harmony between professional responsibilities and personal well-being. It's about managing your time and energy in a way that allows you to be productive at work while still making time for personal interests, family, relaxation, and self-care. When we're busy, we often push self-care to the bottom of our list. But trust me, making time for yourself is essential to sticking to any routine. Whether it's 10 minutes of meditation, reading, or taking a walk, self-care recharges your mind and body. At the end of each week, take a few minutes to reflect on your routine. What's working well? What's not? Maybe you notice that you're more productive in the morning, or maybe you need more time for relaxation in the evening. Remember, your routine isn't set in stone. It should evolve as your goals, energy levels, and lifestyle change. Don't be afraid to tweak it. The best routine is one that fits your life and helps you reach your goals. Nothing can be more essential than a sound night's sleep routine after a long, tedious day. We should always ensure that we sleep and wake up on time daily. I hope you found this video helpful. If you're ready to create your own daily routine, let me know in the comments what your main goals are. And don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.